How to cancel friend request on Facebook. Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video I am going to show you how you can cancel friend request on Facebook. To cancel friend request on Facebook, first open your Facebook. After that, on the top right corner or bottom right corner, click on menu icon. Now click on find friends. Now on the top here you will see friend request or your friends option. Just click on friend request. Now on the top right corner click on three dot icon. Now on the bottom click on view send request. Now here you will see all of your sent friend request. Now let's click on cancel, and there you go. And that's how you can cancel friend request on Facebook. Hope that this video helped you out. If you found this helpful, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.